Hello everyone, I'm Fabian, Product Manager at Akenza. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get started with akenza without a physical device at hand. To do so, we will use the akenza device simulator, which can be found on the product documentation. So let's get started by setting up a data flow. As the device simulator will communicate via HTTP, you need first to select HTTP as a device connector. Select the device simulator from the device type library. Select akenza database as output connector. Once you have set up the data flow, you can proceed with the creation of the device. Go to Asset Inventory and create a device. Give a name to your device, choose the data flow you have created previously, and click on Proceed. Finally, generate a unique device ID. As you can see, your device is now listed in the inventory. To connect it to the device simulator, go to the device page and copy the uplink URL, which can be found under API configuration. Insert the copied URL on the device simulator. Adjust the device data and click on Send Message. This will send the uplink message to your device. On the device page, you will see incoming data in the Message Logs tab. In the Data Overview tab, you can see real-time and also historical data of your device. And that's how easy it is to start using akenza without a device thanks to the device simulator.